Is your kitchen cold and drafty, but you still want to make bread? We have a solution. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this bread proofing box. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Seriously, this is a game changer. No more failed loaves of bread because your house is too cold or drafty. Perfect dough every time. Greg tested this out for us, and oh my gosh, he makes amazing bread. So this thing has a digital screen on it where you can see the exact proofing temperature you want. You just set it and forget it. No more guessing. No more trying to find a warm spot. No more uneven proofing and uneven bread. I also love that it has this little viewing area on top so you can peek down inside and see what's happening. You don't have to open the box and let all the heat out. Are you worried about having another kitchen gadget take up space? This thing folds down flat and you can pretty much store it anywhere, which I also think is awesome. Honestly, this can be used for more than just bread. You could do pizza dough as well. So if you're tired of uneven dough and fighting with getting proper proofing on your bread dough, you should definitely look into this. It's one of those things that you don't think you need until you use it. We recommend this.